Okay, so on this slide we see rocks that are formed with extrusive textures, and therefore these are extrusive rocks. So in the top left we see a glassy texture, and this is pretty self-evident. You know, it looks a lot like glass. If you had to guess, though, I think that you would guess that this composition would be mafic because it's a dark rock. However, this is the exception to the rule that all obsidian is felsic, and it has a glassy texture. You can read under there what a little more about it. Moving over to the top right, we have a vesicular texture. Vesicular texture is one that is very, very frothy. It has a lot of air bubbles in it. This is an example of pumice. Pumice is a great vesicular texture that is a felsic rock, and it is the one that floats on water. Beneath that, we have the pyroclastic texture, which is fragmented. This means that there's lots of ash-sized particles that are all cemented together, and that you've got small bits of the explosive volcano that have landed in ash, and then that ash has been cemented. Or you can have large blobs in there as well. And then beneath that we have the slow-cooled for the extrusive texture that is a lava flow, and it is an aphanitic texture. We've talked about that already. This is another great example of basalt. So it's composed of crystals that are too small for you to see without a microscope. So we have glassy, vesicular, pyroclastic, aphanitic.